Hey Mom, I'm excited to be on the Soft Flex show tonight. What do you think of Soft Flex?
Well, Kay, I'm wearing a mask and I use Soft Flex in order to put the beads right here. And as an old style bead store owner, I want to talk a little bit about Soft Flex. I remember teaching classes using tiger tail, and that's what broke. And tiger tail kinked, and we tried fishing line, and then Soft Flex came out in fine, medium, and heavy. So we had a choice, but I found most of the time you could interchange medium or fine. I also was amazed when they suddenly had colors. And with colors, we were able to do multiple strand necklaces, kind of like the illusion necklace, space the beads, put a crimp on either side, and it could do lots of designs. And Soft Flex came out with their own designs, as well as the small spools of various colors. When I was running the bead store of Stars Beads, it was a #1 seller. And anytime people have used Soft Flex, they go back to it. So I'm a cheerleader for Soft Flex. I use it all the time.